friends. Happy Sunday, happy holidays, happy modified Sunday brunch. A little bit different, not live today. I am recording this super early on Sunday morning. You guys might remember last week I was talking about family being in town and getting to do an early Christmas yesterday. And in that fun, we ended up planning some things for today. So my Sunday is looking a little bit different, and but I didn't want to not get to hang out with you all, at least in some way. So I'm recording, I guess, a little bit of a vlog kind of thing. I'm going to be, this week, I will be doing quilting on my son's girlfriend's quilt all week long. So I'll have Arnie here turned around, and I will be doing something other than my matchbook and straight line quilting, which I adore and I will never give up. But I am very interested in learning some new tricks. So I will have some videos on how that goes. I'm thinking tonight I'll probably make some videos on just doing a couple of the sandwiches that I'm gonna probably either make into, some folks were giving suggestions. I would make the panels either into some bags, or I may just do, if I do it in leftover holiday fabric. One of the cats is at the scratching post. I might make just some cool, like, eccentric placemats out of them and have them, you know, in fun quilting patterns or what have you. But once I get those practice panels done, I'm going to work on that quilt top for Christmas, and also the mini. I'm always pointing over to where my design wallet is. You guys can't see it. It's in the dining room. But once I get more comfortable with the quilting, I'm going to work on, I decided to do on the mini Blue Jay, I'm going to do echo quilting around the bird, around her. And it'll probably be just what I've decided on is echo quilting like all the way out. So because she's going to be framed, I don't have to worry so much about, you know, the distance between quilting lines like you do on a blanket, because you want to make sure the batting and everything stays together. But what I think I'm going to do, and what I've decided, no, what I know I'm going to do and why I've decided to do it, is that echo quilting all the way out, and probably a matchstick quilt, but it'll follow her outline, and the outline of the branch into all the greens that are in the background. And just echo out from there, because I just think it ought to look neat in the frame. And we'll see. Maybe it's disgusting. Maybe I won't like it. Who knows? But I definitely want to be more comfortable with the free motion quilting part, because there are so many different shapes and curves and angles. I'm going to do the free motion part of it, even though it's going to be like matchstick quilting. I'm not going to do it with like a walking foot. I'm going to do it freestyle to follow those more organic shapes more easily than if it was just straight line and it was so rigid. So that's my thought process on that. That's what I'm going to hope to do. Hopefully it looks pretty good. I'm excited. It'll be in a frame, so whatever. Folks won't get that close to it to nitpick what I might do, but I'm excited about that. And since I'll have Arnie set up and switched around, I think I'm finally going to get my booty in quilting the mini sculliver as well, and a couple of the other smaller projects that I've completed over the past couple of years. I just keep completing tops, and then or flimsies, you might call them, and then they're just in like this holding pattern, because I haven't switched him around. I don't want to do everything matchstick just straight, or even like the wavy. I don't want everything to be the wavy line quilting, or yeah, so they're just kind of hanging around. The different like the Hazy Hills from Legit Kits, Hazy Hills West, Central, and East are all sitting around waiting to be quilted because I haven't decided, like I haven't gotten confidence and decided what I wanted to do because I didn't have the confidence yet. So I've got a lot of stuff hanging around, not done, that I could, like even that big sail away print, flimsy, I haven't done. And that I got done a couple of years ago because I needed it done to become a certified instructor. So I'm excited to start learning about the quilting and gaining my confidence. And then, you know, eventually the goal is down the road to get an actual long arm, to do all the projects from beginning to end all by myself and not have so many flimsies just hanging around waiting. So that's the goal. That's the plan for the upcoming like 2025 year, is to really get comfortable in my long arm quilting. I'd made a lot of not really New Year's resolutions last year, if you guys remember at the beginning of the year, but I think I've really stuck to is the one that stuck out to me the most and was kind of most important to me out of all of the quilty type things I had decided to do, was really not perfecting, because I don't believe like perfection is an ever-going goal, right? You're always reaching towards that. But I definitely got so much better in my accuracy on my 1/4 inch stitch and in my cutting and just slowing down and making sure that I'm really accurate in what I'm doing. And I really am pleased to say that I'm super happy with what I did over the year. My accuracy in cutting has been so improved with some fun tools like from Fallon, you know, Soviet quilts. I'm looking at, I can't remember what they're called. I'm trying to remember what the tools are called, but they're the, hold on a second. Is it on? Quilter's Sidekick. There we go. Slide lock. Goodness gracious. But the tools that have helped me, slowing down, making myself more patient and conscious about the fact that I'm really looking to be very accurate in my cuts. And then really getting used to and using Arnie solely for all of the piecing that I've really been doing this whole past year. And so I've really gotten to know what a 1/4 inch means on him. So that's helped me out a lot. So, but next year, my big thing is to really branch out and start finalizing quilts, not just doing the tops, and not just only completing little projects because I can quilt them really quickly, but really like broadening my horizons in the quilting finishing world. So that's the goal for 2025, and I'm excited about that because I've got the setup figured out to be able to do it here in this space, to flip Arnie around. It'll fit, it'll work. I'll just have to move a couple of things out of the way. Like my computer is over here on the side. I'll just have to slide it down, which is no problem. Yeah, so it's gonna work and it'll be fun, and you'll get to see more of the finishing process this year, not just the piecing process. So that's kind of exciting. All right, well, I think that's it. I think I've bored you guys enough. I hope you all have a fantastic week. I hope all of your plans getting ready for the holidays are going well. I am having gotten to do pre-Christmas with the out-of-town family this week has really gotten me in the super holiday mode. So I'm really looking forward to getting some baking and even some no-bake. I really love the no-bake cookies that seem to come out in this time of year. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really realizing that I was snuggling cats before I went live. I can really see the cat hair on this black shirt, of course. Okay, anyway. Thank you guys so much. Have an awesome week. I do plan to go live next Sunday. So I'll be live. I'm thinking on maybe doing some FPP ornaments or something, but just some quick fun stuff. And oh, maybe some gift card holders, because I have a bunch of gift cards to give to family members for Christmas. So maybe we'll do some of those. And I'll get to use my little, like, attach the snaps tools. So, all right, y'all. Again, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Talk to you all soon. Bye now.